Really? You'd like a new or almost new Chevy car, truck, SUV, or crossover? But you're waiting for Fed promised finance rate reductions? When selection is better than it's been in years and prices are lower too? How about some sound advice from Sunset Chevrolet? Marry the rig, date the rate. While selection is best and prices dropping, find that special new Chevrolet now. And then simply refinance when the rates get lower. Plus, get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying new Chevrolet, saving you thousands down the road. Marry the rig, date the rate. And when the rates go down, simply restructure and refinance that auto loan to a lower payment. There's absolutely no good reason to wait. Told you we had some sound advice. Let Sunset Chevrolet's matchmakers help you find the Chevrolet you love. Marry the rig, date the rate. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.
Sunset Chevrolet.
910 Traffic Avenue in Tiny Overhead, Sumner.